Let me show you guys the quickest way to use WhatsApp on your PC without scanning any sort of QR code. So you can see I have WhatsApp here. Let me launch it for you guys to see. So you can see I just need to enter my phone number and then I proceed with the registration on WhatsApp with my laptop. So let me show you guys how to do this. So you need to download this. This is an Android emulator. You can use GameLoop, you can use BlueStacks. So here I'll be recommending BlueStack 5 because you'll use less RAM, it's faster and the rest. So on this PC I'm using BlueStacks, so use BlueStack 5. You can search that on your PC and then you download that. Now let's come here, let me show you guys the tutorial. So I need to enter my phone number here, something like this, and then I move to next. The normal procedure, like you're registering on a mobile phone, has been sent. Okay, so the code is here. So now let me enter it as 248. So yeah, you can see here. So that's it. Very much simple and easy. That's how you can use WhatsApp on your PC without scanning any QR code. So you just need to download an Android emulator and you download WhatsApp and you're good to go. So I'm going to drop a link to BlueStack 5 official website so you can download that and use it on your PC. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.